Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually market your products or services on Pinterest and create a very unique marketing strategy that could outperform any other competitor on the platform. First thing, we want to launch the Pinterest, and I want you to take your time and look around how these people are essentially coming up over here and how they are promoting their products, their services in a way in which there are plenty of images that I can simply keep scrolling and I'm not gonna pay any attention to it, while some images will make you to click. They will stop you scrolling, okay? The stop scrollers. So what I'm even talking about, okay, for example, if you come over here, this image, for example, what is it, right? Keep this dog shampoo kills feeds, right? It's a very interesting quote. So if you actually go read it, you will find out that this is how these people have been making a lot of money, okay? So the first time they published this one was in 2018 and it was updated in September 2023. So obviously these people are making a lot of money. How? It's obvious. Well, why would you come 5 years after the original post? You're gonna update it simply because this is a money printing article. But the idea over here is that maybe there are hundreds of thousands of different people who are selling the same shampoo or are selling similar products, or they're targeting the same dog audience. But what makes the difference is that I click on this, right? I didn't click on anything else. So this is what caught my attention. This is what I meant by saying you can actually create your own marketing strategy that will outperform any other competitor. This is why I meant by saying that you have to craft everything that will make the other competitors look funny, right? Very interesting also is that you don't always have to show the product, okay? Sometimes you have to give something for free, okay? So for example, look, this is petlab.com commercial, okay? So they're showing something that is very, very educational. Doesn't look like they're selling you anything. It simply looks like, how you can notice if something is wrong with the paw of the dog, right? And when you click on it,
they're discolored or moist.
essentially you will be forward to another page where you're probably gonna end up looking into their product line, and you might be end up buying something. Out of 100 people, I don't know how many people would be proceeding, because all of the audience will be people with dogs. If you don't have a dog, why would you click on that, right? This is what I'm even trying to explain. So the two ways you can actually approach a situation: first of all, you can present the product in an amazing, unique way and get the audience come to your website, or you can give a free content, free knowledge, no sales pitch, no product, no prices, no nothing. Give them something for free, and then they're gonna come after you. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.